good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I would like to thank you very much for the people who are sending me the messages and the other information regarding the query, lot of query for the Turkish citizenship program and about the property real estate investment. Right now we are again in a new development. The area name is Bayrampasa. It's very close to the Istanbul city center, and where we are in the project is almost completed, and this is a very good investment opportunity for the people who are looking for the citizenship and who want to get a rental income. So here you can get around 8% to 6 to 8% rental income against your investment. So I will show you the demo apartments, and the property is already completed. And I will advise to my investor go for this property because the infrastructure is a fantastic, very close to the metro station, and you can just purchase and start living, or you can get the rental benefit from the date of investment. So this is a very plus point. So my colleague, the representative of the project, will explain us about the area and about the property. So I will take you to the first to the model and then to the demo apartments. Okay viewers, Mr. Muhammad is with us. He will explaining us about the project. So Mr. Muhammad, please explain us about the project.
Of course, welcome Mr. Shahzad to our project. Thank you for visit. About our project, it's all around 3 buildings. It's separated like this way. We have 3+1 and 2+1 apartment type.
Okay.
The 3+1 it will be on the corners, and 2+1 it will be in the middle.
Okay. Okay. Then, Mr. Muhammad, what about the location?
Yeah, of course. About the location, Gulbark Yuvan project is located in the middle of Istanbul, especially in Bayrampasa area. Bayrampasa is one of the oldest and the most active and valuable places in Istanbul.
Okay.
So it's near to all metro stations, and also it's so close to Forum Istanbul shopping center.
Okay.
So all around the project, as you see here, we have 13 stores, 30 stores, and all stores will be support the people who is living inside the project.
Okay, okay. And that you have a parking for the customers, and also the tenant can also, or the landlord can also park. But you have also covered parking here.
Yeah, the covered parking will be in here. The entrance and exit will be from the same place. And also we have this area outside. It's also can use as a parking area.
Okay. On the other side you have the
social facilities.
Social facilities.
Yes, it's under the sea block. As you can see here, we have swimming pool.
Okay.
Also we have fitness gym, and also we have Turkish bathroom and saunas room. And it's all separated by females and males.
Okay, okay, that's fantastic. And here is the green belt.
Yes.
This is the green belt.
Yeah, about the green areas, it will be between the buildings. Also here between the C block and the B block, it will be a place to children parks for kids, and also it will be a place for basketball area.
Okay, because you're seeing the model of the apartment, now we are taking you to the demo apartment where you can see the quality of the construction and the sizes of the apartment.
Yes.
So you will take us to some demo apartment, the 2-bedroom and the 3-bedroom, so we can show to our viewers that what is the quality and how spacious is the apartment and what is the view from the apartment.
Yes.
So viewers, we are taking you to the demo apartment.
Stay with us. So we are here actually in the C block, behind the C block.
So okay, this is the C block.
Yeah, the C block. So each building is about 13 floors.
Yeah.
So all the floors will have 4 apartments, and all it's looking for the city. So we have amazing city view in Gulbark Yuvan project.
This is very close to the road as well, and on the back side we have a metro station.
Here
right?
you see this is the main street, and also under the blocks we have 30 markets that will be opening by the end of this month.
Okay, that's fantastic. Let's go to the apartment. This is 2-bedroom.
Yes,
2-bedroom.
From here we can start. As you see, this is the appears.
Okay,
And,
this is the entrance.
and from the beginning, you saw the kitchen.
Yeah, we see the kitchen, but I can see here you have a special
Slide door.
sliding door. Huh?
Yes, to
Yeah, for the privacy
area. Yes, for privacy and to earn some area.
Okay. Okay.
Also, we have balcony, but
Okay.
it's not too much big
Okay,
balcony.
but we have a balcony here also, and from the balcony viewers we have the same view,
Yes.
the city view, and the metro station, the trams, and everything.
Of course.
This is the view. We are here in 2-bedroom apartment, and this is the kitchen of the 2-bedroom apartment.
You see,
With all appliances and the heating system.
it's almost the same system.
Same system. Okay.
Also, here we have a living room.
Wow, very spacious living room. This can be your TV launch as well. With the heating system and with the balcony, small balcony.
And here's one thing about 2+1 apartment.
Yeah.
It's all look to the city.
Ah,
So
okay.
we don't have any closed rooms. It's all look to the city. So the 2 bedrooms and the living room and the kitchen is looking for the city.
City.
Yes.
Fantastic. Good. AC, everything good.
Of course. Here we can
And
see-
you have these marble tiles, right?
Of course, yes. It's all at the same.
Here is
The second bedroom.
okay. This is bedroom with the heating system.
Of course.
Good.
And let me show you.
Very good livable size.
Yes. Let me show you.
And this is on our left hand side. It's the first bathroom, right?
Yes, the first bathroom.
First bathroom with the standing shower.
And here
And
we have the master room.
this is the master bedroom. Okay. So from the master bedroom, we have a window and
Yes,
balcony plus a fantastic view.
of course.
It's a good city view. We are very close to the I can see this is very close to the mosque as well.
Yes, of course. And also in the master room, we have a bathroom, has a shower.
Okay. This is bathroom. AC,
Yes,
wooden floor.
in every apartment you have two
Tile.
AC.
Okay.
One will be in the living room and the other will be in the master
With
room.
a standing shower with.
So you look at the materials, it's a good material.
Yeah, the good
And high quality construction.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Mohammed, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. It's what is the size for this one? 2-bedroom apartment.
It's 121 meters.
121 meter.
Yeah, totally.
Okay.
Totally
And the
space.
prices for this apartment is
For this apartment, it's like $215,000.
okay.
Yes, it's in the 13th floor, so we have the city view.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Good. Okay, Mr. Mohammed. So we are now in 3-bedroom apartment.
Yes, of course.
Please show us this 3-bedroom apartment.
Welcome. This is the entrance.
Okay, this is the main entrance.
Yes, we have in here a 3+1 apartment type.
Okay.
We
3
have-
plus 1.
Yeah, 3+1. We have the kitchen, first of all.
Okay, this is the kitchen.
Yes.
Very good.
And as you see here, we have electric burner.
Okay.
And also we have dishwasher,
Okay, this is dishwasher.
of course. And also we have oven.
Okay.
You will find these with each apartment that you can buy.
Okay.
It's
And
all
this
with
is the fridge area on
Yes.
this side.
This is the fridge area.
Okay, it's a quite a spacious kitchen.
Yes,
And with the heating system, huh?
of
This
course.
is the heating system also.
With the heating system.
Okay, you have a spacious balcony.
Yes.
And I can see from here it's a fantastic view.
Yes, it's the city view.
Okay.
And if you would like to take a look here.
Yeah, yeah, please, please.
So the special in our project that it has amazing view. So as you see here, this is the metro station. It's so close to our project. It's like around 5 minutes by walking. And also,
yeah, we can see the
Yes.
metro is going.
yes,
And a lot of buses is also there,
Yes.
so it's a bus
And-
stand and the everything.
that area over there, it will be Autogar metro station.
Okay.
Autogar metro station, it has also buses that can teleport you from here to all Turkish state.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Like we are in the middle of the city,
Of
where
course.
the tram, metro station, the metro buses, and the buses, everything is here.
Of course.
Yeah, but you have fantastic view.
And also you have middle school.
Okay, this one is middle school,
Yeah,
right?
we have middle school. It's close to here.
Oh.
It's, also we have university close to
Okay.
here.
Okay.
And as you see over there, we have shopping center from this side and from this side.
Okay. Okay.
It's also close to our project.
Very good. Very good. Now we will go to the
To the living room.
living room.
Living room is here. It's kind of big. It's around 30 meters.
30-meter living room with a balcony.
Yes.
Okay. For the fresh air, you have a balcony window also. I think it's maybe it's not so good. I don't know.
So yes.
But from here you have a view.
Yeah, amazing view.
Okay.
You can-
And you have here also
Heating
the heating system.
Of
You have two balconies, like two windows with a small balcony.
and
Okay.
that,
And here you have a also fantastic view of the city.
of course.
Okay, very good, very good. And this is next to that the other tower which is already completed.
Bay block.
B block.
Yes,
Okay.
B block.
And you have a AC.
Yes, we have AC one in the living room
Okay.
and another one in the master.
Okay. These are the wooden floor, right?
Of course, and it will be like this in all apartments.
Okay, wooden floor with the all apartment.
Yes.
This is the first bedroom. Okay. This is the first bedroom
Yes.
with the heating system.
Yes. And also it has a good
Yeah.
view.
Yes. Yes, we can see.
Yes.
And you can also, your neighborhood, the B block is next to the apartment. Okay, good.
Let me show you the master room. So we have here the master room. It's kind of a big room. We have also AC and we have a separate bathroom here.
Okay, this is separate bathroom, attached bath.
Yes, for parents.
Okay, this is master bedroom. Okay, you from master bedroom you have also very good city view.
Yes, we have city view here. I can tell you the Asian side is from this side and we have the sea from this side.
Okay, okay. So we are going to now to third bedroom.
Of course. So this is the third bedroom.
Third bedroom,
Yes, and it's all around 12 meters.
12 meter. Okay,
Yes.
with the heating system, with the window, and it's good.
It's almost the same.
Yeah, yeah. And I can see this is another bathroom.
Yes.
So two bathrooms.
So here is the place for washing machine,
Okay.
and you can see.
With a standing shower,
Of course.
it's good. Okay. So this is basically a 3-bedroom plus
Yeah.
hall. 3-bedroom plus hall. It's fantastic, and the price, as you told me, is starting from $250,000.
Yes.
So
No, it's not starting actually. It's in with 200.
okay, this is and with the $250,000.
Yes.
Very good, very good. So we will, I will recommend you this property. Basically, it's a very good investment opportunity. If you go with this property, you can get your citizenship as well, Turkish citizenship with the property. And the building is already completed, and I will recommend my investor go for this one.